This also forms part of the drug discovery, but it's more specific. And if you ask me, drug docking is more related to chemistry. The reason is there is the scoring function, something called as the scoring function. The scoring function takes its cues from thermodynamics. They are calculating docking score. If the docking score is very high, it's a very good drug in drug designing. So they take thermodynamic delta H and delta E values only. So it is our subject. And the equations are embedded inside the software for the biochemistry people. I'll show the example of the docking square also. But let us just see some basic, very interesting things about the drug designing when that is docking. Here it is. Molecular docking, it is called as the molecular. So you should know what a molecular is. Okay, we have drugs. Some drugs, they interact physiologically and they have got so many other side effects and toxicity. But have you ever seen something called as the chemotherapy? Chemotherapy is a completely different aspect. There, the raw chemicals are treated for raw chemicals are taken for treatment of unwanted killing of the cells without any mechanism. They randomly kill the cells and they do not differentiate which is good, which is bad. But a molecular level takes its actions at the molecular interaction level. For instance, I have been telling you that there are non-covalent interactions, mostly the non-covalent interactions. Non-covalent interactions. The non-covalent interactions, they go over a particular enzyme, sit there. For example, the most basic thing is that, if you have some virus, the virus structure is first analyzed. It will find a particular place of its working. And when it sits there, it starts its multiplication. So you have to find a drug that does not allow it to sit. Okay, you have to find a molecule that just goes and fits. In fact, you should call it as the lock and key mechanism. Lock and key mechanism. So here is the two things that are there. Search algorithm is there, and the most important piece of them is the genetic algorithm. And this uses the molecular dynamics. I think you know about what molecular dynamics is. It is about more related to molecular mechanics, where you have fixed bond lengths, bond angles, and dihedral angles, etc. Okay, and then evaluate the place where, for example, if I sit in my home and work here, the table and chair are different. If I go to the college, the table and chair are different. So local shape feature should be matched, and the algorithm is something from logic. Okay, algorithm is some code that is written for execution. You don't have to bother much about that. And then the second part is the scoring function. In the scoring function, they use force field. And force field means, it's same thing. It has got some connection with the molecular mechanics also. The force that is involved, F equal to minus Kx, that forms the basis of most of the dipole moment in the IR spectroscopy. And then some empirical results are there, some knowledge base. These two are almost the same thing. Okay, after going through search algorithm and docking assessments, the docking assessment is done and a pharma validation is done. Okay, you don't bother about this. I'll just show the definition here after showing the flowcharts. Here it is. Okay, talking. Just coming to the scoring function, and before that, I'll insert another picture that shows you what docking is all about. Here is the very best definition. You need to write this definition, and you have to face the questions in the examination. Okay, in the field of molecular modeling, a boy asked what a molecular drug designing and drug discovery, both are same. If we are in a continuous process, involved in a continuous process, it is called as the drug discovery process. Okay, if I find some clue, the clue is that I have to add some hydrophobic part or hydrophilic part, means I call it as a designing. When I remove a derivative, add another derivative, it is called as the designing. So in the field of molecular modeling, docking is a method which predicts the preferred orientation of one molecule to a second when bound by to each other to form a stable complex. Okay. The complex, I told you that in our present COVID-19 case is the ACE2 receptor. ACE2 receptor means angiotensin converting enzyme, which is responsible for the BP. Therefore, up to the age of 20, most boys 20, 21, they don't have this enzyme. Okay, they don't have this enzyme. And if this enzyme is not there, the virus, that is the COVID-19 virus, doesn't sit there. Therefore, young boys, they don't get this disease. Where there is this receptor is found, this is a huge molecule with atomic weight of about 40,000. Here is the virus that goes and sits. When it goes and sits, it forms a complex. Okay. Now the job is to find out where it goes and sits. It will have so many molecular structures. It may have so many loose ends. It may have so many hydrophobic parts. It may have so many hydrophilic parts. So the COVID-19 virus will go and sit here. You don't allow it to sit there. What do? You design a drug, design a molecule that goes and sit there. And the molecule, the drug. This molecule is the drug. Or the chemical. Okay. So after it goes and drugs, so it goes sits there in the இடத்துல உட்கார்ந்தா இதுக்கு வரதுக்கு இடமே கொடுக்காது. Okay. So that is the complex. So this complex we are aware in chemical terms of the, maybe you can call it as the transition state complex or steady state complex, whatever. Well, in chemistry they have different kinetics definitions for that. So knowledge of the preferred orientation. Orientation means it is better called as the conformer. You can recollect Ramachandran plot in which you rotate and you get different conformers. And one conformer may be useful, the other conformer may be not useful. Okay. So that is to predict the strength of association and binding affinity. The complex form on the bind out the binding affinity. The binding affinity is the amount of energy released when a ligand binds with the complex. General definition is that between two molecules using, for example, and that is called as the scoring function. These both are same. Scoring function is a fallout of the binding ability. Okay. The association between biological relevant molecules such as proteins, peptides, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, lipids. Proteins, peptides, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids play a very important role. Okay. These are all, if you can call them, these are all called as the receptors. And sometimes they are also called as the enzymes. They are also called as the enzymes. So different enzymes are there. Thousands of enzymes are there in the body, and where which has to sit, and it depends. So enzymes, I think you will know the enzyme reactivity by Michaelis-Menten equation in physical chemistry. Have you studied that? I think it is very useful. Michaelis-Menten equation that predicts the enzyme concentration and the activity of some enzymes. That is being employed here. Furthermore, the relative orientation of two interacting partners may be type of signal products: agonism versus antagonism. Agonistic, antagonistic, like egoistic, anti-egoistic. Like anti-egoistic means the quite opposite of that. Signal produce some accepted something. If it is accepted, it's a very good signal. If something it is not accepted, the body will give another signal. Okay, you can see an example that if a human organ is transplanted from one person to another person, a kidney is transplanted, the body has to accept it. If the body accepts it, it is agonistic. If the body doesn't accept it, it is antagonistic. Okay, so that is the signal that the body gets. And molecular docking is one of the most frequently used method in structure-based drug designing due to its ability to predict the binding conformation of small molecules. Small molecules. (800 Daltons). 1 Dalton is 1 unit. Okay. So that small molecules are very useful in going and entering that. So let me just give you that equation which is being used for the thermodynamic equation. Most scoring functions are physics-based molecular mechanics force field that estimate the energy of the force or the force field within the binding site. The various contribution to binding can be written by this equation. Delta G of binding is equal to delta G of solvent, delta G of conformer, delta G of internal energy, delta G of rotational energy, delta G. TT is, I don't know, it is some other factor. Delta G vibrational. So, delta G TT is, I think it is very specific one for the enzymes, I think, Okay, so that you can see. So this is the equation. We can omit this one also. Okay, this is not needed. This is biological, and you can add some more like delta G, electron repulsion, or delta G plus delta G H minus L. So many things you can add. Okay, so such an addition function you call it as the empirical. The component consists of solvent effects, conformation changes, free energy due to protein interactions, internal rotation, association energy of the ligand, free energy due to the change in the rotation. So this is the association energy. Okay, this is the more connected with the biological binding. Okay, so an alternative approach is to get a knowledge from database training for interaction from a large database protein called as the protein data bank. Okay, now this is the docking. Given two molecules, find their correct association. So here is the receptor. You can see the receptor there, and here you have ligand. Both of them form a complex. And this is what is that. Ligand is our drug. Molecule that binds with the protein and DNA drug. So this is the enzyme. I think you know this. So you have different shapes. These shapes, and the shapes are all because of the molecule. Molecule, suppose if you have NS2, it will have a different shape. If you have COS2, it will have different shapes. Suppose if the virus sits like this at this particular place, what you have to do is you have to find out this shape. In the shape, you can form. Okay. this shape you will have to design a molecule that goes and fits there. So அதை டிசைன் பண்ண உடனே இங்க எப்படி ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க, இது உள்ள போயிருக்கு. Okay, so here is the competitive bending. Competitive bending means, you know, you will have, what do you have competitive bending? You will have virus at one particular place and your drug at another place. Okay, which binds very well here? Idu bend avuma illa idu bend avuma. Virus will have all methods to go and bind, and you have to design a drug so that it beats the virus and goes and sits there. That is called as the competitive binding here. Function of the binding interaction is, again, these are all non-covalent interactions. Okay, so this is the enzyme and this is the drug. So cavity A is blocked and cavity B is blocked. You can block this, you can block this. Okay, here cavity A is blocked and again here also is there. Now this, you know, between these two, what is obvious is accessibility. Cavity A is accessible and cavity A is accessible. So anyway, you can stop the accessibility of that. The definition is computationally predict the structure, protein ligand complex from their conformations and orientations. The orientation that maximizes the interaction reveals the most accurate structure of the complex. Okay, importance of the complex and structure and functionality. So here is an example, very good example, HIV protease. This is the active site. Okay, active site. And this is the protein. These, you know, are all, you know, blue is one protein, green is another protein, blue is another protein. Okay, like you have adenine, guanine, cytosine, tyrosine. So if you change this A, C, T, G, it becomes a different receptor. So this is all is found in body. So you can see the shapes are varying. This is one particular shape and this is another shape. Here you have large cavity. Large molecules will go and sit there. It's one of the place where some of the viruses go and sit dormant there. Okay, that structure is again given some other shapes, 3D shape. That was a ribbon shape, and you can see this is the inhibitor. Inhibits functioning of for example, beta blocker is there. Beta blocker, if it increases in the human body, the blood pressure increases. So you need some drug that blocks this adrenaline. It blocks the adrenaline. Adrenaline is again a protein. So you have to devise a drug so that wherever that that is produced, it has to be blocked. Okay. So that is this particular drug is hidden in this particular part. You cannot differentiate. Differentiation is very difficult. So that is the cleverness of the virus, that it also resembles like a molecule. It also resembles like a protein. While this is a protein molecule, this is also protein molecule, this is also protein molecule, this is also protein molecule. The virus is also a protein molecule. So the body is not able to identify. It sits there. It may start functioning. Okay. So you have to either this can be a drug or this can be a virus. This can be a drug. The drug kuda irkalam alladu virus kuda irkalam. ட்ரக் ஈஸியா போய் உக்காந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த வைரஸ் இடம் கொடுக்கறது இல்லை. வைரஸ் போய் ஈஸியா உக்காந்துக்குச்சுன்னா இது அதோட பாப்புலேஷன் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். So you have to kick it out. If it is a virus, you have to kick out. Kick out எப்படி? Binding தான். Binding எல்லாம் எப்படி? Chemistry தான். Thermodynamic factors and how which binding gives which good results. Okay. So what are the factors that we have to know in this? I think you have to have a knowledge of protein structure and active site. If a disease comes in picture, the first thing people do is isolate the protein. The first thing that people do is isolate the protein and find out which protein is active in which place. Okay. So in that they call it the homology modeling, etc. And this is a separate software. Then after isolation of the protein, you have to find out the ligand structure. The ligand in inorganic chemistry we have only fluorine. Fluorine is a ligand. Here ligand is a drug molecule. Some chemists also called as a pharmacophore. Pharmacophore is a potential drug compound well-known groups. Okay, sometimes they are rigid, sometimes they are flexible. Rigid means no change in structure. Flexible means vibration allowed, rotation allowed, translation allowed, everything is there. So this all gives rise to several conformers. Over a conformer change panni, docking panni, ador result le poranga. So here it is. This is the design of HIV protease inhibitor. The creation of spheres, these are all. This is a molecule. Same previous structure la paathom illaya, adhe vandu molecule in the strand எல்லாம் பாக்கும்போது actually இது இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். molecule தான், நம்ம organic molecule தான் எல்லாமே. You can see this is the organic molecule there. You can see all this molecule. And you can put it in ribbon shape or you can put it in cylinder shape and whatever shape like this. Suppose if you have a cavity, the cavity describes where the HIV protease is an enzyme, and you will know where the enzyme goes and sits. I mean where the drug goes and sits. Okay. And the next part of the slide, you'll see here it is, scoring and ligand protein docking. That is, this is the energy and this is the docking strategy. This will have different conformers. ஒரு கன்ஃபார்மர் இங்க உட்காந்துச்சுன்னா எவ்வளவு எனர்ஜி, அப்படியே எனர்ஜி வேரி ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு பாருங்க. goes like this and goes. This is the lowest energy. So இதே இந்த ட்ரக் இந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஒரு எனர்ஜி இருக்கும். அதே ட்ரக் இங்க உட்காந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த வேற எனர்ஜி இருக்கும். அதே ட்ரக் இங்க உட்காந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த எனர்ஜி இருக்கும். அந்த ட்ரக் இந்த இடத்துல உட்காந்துச்சுன்னா நல்லா ஃபுல்லா ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணி வச்சுன்னா. So keep on changing the binding sites. Keep on changing the binding sites may be large non-covalent interactions. So if you keep on changing them, you'll see which is having the highest energy released. So here it is again. The dock, it's a free software. You can download it, you can read the manual, and then you can start working into that. So here is the cavity there. The cavity naga paathomla HIV protease and the cavity da. Idella vandu these are all the van der Waals spheres. ஒரு ஆளுடைய இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு தொலை வரைக்கும் போறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த ஒரு ஆட்டமோட இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் எது வரைக்கும் போகும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த ரெட் டாட்ஸ். ஸோ இன்னும் நான் கோவலன்ட் இன்டராக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து இதெல்லாம் van der Waals ஸ்பியரா, இதெல்லாம் வந்து நான் கோவலன்ட் ஹைட்ரோஜன் பாண்டு இல்லைன்னா ஹாலஜன் பாண்டு அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய. So every interaction is very important. So HIV-1 protease is the target receptor. Aspartyl groups are the active sites. Aspartic is a protein. ஒரு 20 புரோட்டீன் 25 புரோட்டீன் சேர்ந்துச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு 25 அமினோ ஆசிட்ஸ் சேர்ந்துச்சுன்னா ஒரு புரோட்டீன் வருதுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. You take for example that if you add 100 amino acids, you get the particular protein, any enzyme. So one of the amino acid is aspartate. அந்த இடத்துல தான் போய் உட்காருது. இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அவர் காமன் அசிட்டிக் அமினோ ஆசிட் இஸ் அடினின், குவானின், சைட்டோசின், டைரோசின் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா? இதுல வைரஸ் வந்து ஏதாவது ஒரு அமினோ ஆசிட்ல போய் உட்கார்றது அஃபினிட்டி இருக்கும். சே ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் குவானின், அந்த காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்ல குவானின் எல்லாம் எங்க இருக்குதோ அந்த இடத்துல போய் ஈஸியா உட்காந்துரும் வைரஸ். அது வந்து நேச்சுரல் டாக்கிங். இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த வைரஸ் அந்த குவானின் கூட இன்டராக்ட் ஆகக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கணும். ஸோ குவானினோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வச்சுட்டு குவானின் வந்து இஸ் எ ப்ரோட்டீன், எவ்வளோ எலக்ட்ரோஃபிலிக் பார்ட் இருக்கு, எவ்வளோ ஹைட்ரோஃபோபிக் பார்ட் இருக்கு, அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி எப்படி நீங்க வேற லிகாண்டு வேற கெமிக்கல் வச்சு பிளாக் பண்ணணும். ஹவு யூ ஹேவ் டு யூஸ் சம் அதர் கெமிக்கல் டு கோ அண்ட் பிளாக் திஸ் குவானின். அதுதான் டிசைனிங். Okay, so if you design it, you make it more competitive than the virus, so that the virus cannot go and sit at the guanine. Rather, your drug goes and sits at the guanine. Okay. Here is it uses some other schemes. You know, it is a dark gas process, so you can see the cavity there, and the cavity la drug vakandirukku apdiye. And then scoring function இருக்கு. ஸ்கோரிங் ஃபங்க்ஷன்னாவே அந்த டெல்டா ஜி அல்லது டெல்டா ஹெச் தான், தெர்மோடைனமிக் தான். 3 டைப் ஆஃப் ஸ்கோரிங் இருக்கு. ஒன்னு ஷேப் ஸ்கோரிங், ஒன்னு எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக் ஸ்கோரிங், ஒன்னு ஃபோர்ஸ் ஃபீல்ட் ஸ்கோரிங். ஓகே, ஃபோர்ஸ் ஃபீல்ட்னாவே F = -kx உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் வந்துடும். தி ஸ்கோரிங் ஸ்கீம்ஸ் டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் தி 3 algorithms. ஷேப் கரெக்டா உட்காந்துச்சுன்னா எப்படி உங்களுக்கு, for example, if you have some spherical shape, the drug also should be in a spherical shape. So you can use many aromatic shape. You can use any shape, you know, a very good shape. Electrostatic, you know, I think I told you about molecular electrostatic potential. Any charge you can say. Okay. In the force field, you know, it uses all the atoms in molecule, AIM na atoms in molecule, and the interaction resulting in some force. Some force between molecules. Okay, almost same da idu, but force field na வந்து அது வந்து molecular mechanics வந்துரும். Molecular mechanics வந்தாலே உங்களுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பாண்ட் லென்ஸ், பாண்ட் ஆங்கிள்ஸ், டயஹெட்ரல் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் வந்துரும். ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பாண்ட் லென்ஸ், பாண்ட் ஆங்கிள், டயஹெட்ரல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதோடைய இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் எது வரைக்கும் போகும்னு வந்துரும். அந்த இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் வந்து நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 8 ஆங்ஸ்ட்ராம் யூனிட் வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, so within that you can have vibrational, rotational motion and the spherical, I mean the radius of its influence base. Okay, so you need not have to worry about the dark algorithm. I'm just telling you that it uses 2 steps in rigid ligand mode, orienting the putative ligand in the site, guided by putative ligands means the favorable ligand. Okay, the right matrix is used for the transformation of the ligand, and then scoring. Orient panni neenga the score pannu. Okay, so finally this is the summary, and you can remember this very well. You can write in the examination also. You will have enzyme, so here it may be the cavity. Define the target, binding site points, any virus, any enzyme, flu enzyme or any adenovirus, anything, it goes and sits where does it go and sit? The shape may vary. Okay, this is all molecule. Now molecule. Okay, then you match the distance by molecule. Long molecule, short molecule, spherical molecule, triangular molecule. எது வேணாலும் இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த கேரிட்டில கரெக்டா வந்து மேட்ச் ஆகுறது வந்து ஒரு ring 1, ring 2, ring 3, ring 4 அப்படியே மேட்ச் ஆகுது. ஸோ 4 ring atom வந்து உங்களுக்கு 4 ring atom. That is why aromatic compounds are very good drugs. Most of the aromatic compounds you find have very good potential drug activity, but they have toxicity also. Okay. Then calculate the transformation matrix from the orientation. Transformation matrix means, you know, this is all interaction. How much it can influence, suppose if the binding site is there. Suppose if you have CH here or NH here, H may interact with the O by means of some interactive. So this transformation matrix is mathematical representation. இதை நீங்க ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் தெர்மோடைனமிக்ஸ்ல படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஏன் யூஸ் பண்றோம்னு சொல்லி நான் அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸ் கிடைச்சதுதான் சொல்றேன். Matrix have got very good, very beautiful properties. You know, at places where many properties cannot be explained, you can use matrix. Okay. Then after calculating all this, this is a algorithm. Algorithm எல்லாம் சும்மா நீங்க கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ண வேணாம். Algorithm actually என்னன்னா plan. It's a kind of plan. If I go there, if I take this, if you have a full day visit, you know, you plan between these two things so that you spend minimum petrol, minimum energy, minimum amount, everything is minimized. Okay, that if you write in mathematical terms, it is called as the algorithm. Okay, logic. Okay, then drag the molecule, score the Fred. This is the calculation of delta G finally. Okay, so I think we have got very good examples. Here is the glossary of that. You need to remember this glossary. Receptor or host lock. You can see it's a receiving molecule, most commonly a protein or other biopolymer. Ligand is the number drug. This is the number design பண்றது. Design in chemistry lab. And then docking, computational simulation is the computational part. Candidate ligand binding to the receptor. Then you calculate the binding mode. How do you calculate the binding mode? Shape, geometry, charge, force field. Okay, and then pose. Pose means, you know, pose கொடுக்குறாங்க இல்லையா? In which pose you look very good. If you want to take a selfie, you calculate several poses. The same thing is there for the molecule also. You have pose means where you go and sit there. இப்படி போனோமா, இப்படி போனோமா, அப்படி போனோமா. So there is also posing. And then there comes the delta G, thermodynamics. Process of evaluating a particular pose by counting number of favorable intermediate intermolecular interactions, such as hydrogen bonds, hydrophilic bonds, electrostatic bonds, etc., is scoring function. And then ranking. ஒவ்வொரு போஸ்க்கு ஒரு ரேங்க் இருக்கும். ஒரு 100 போஸ்ட் கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோம் லாகரித்மிக்கலா. 100 posts you will give it to the enzyme, you dock it. All the 100 delta G's will be calculated. Highest energy, which is having highest energy, you will give first rank, then the sixth rank. Then you take up the 10 ranks and do further calculations to find out whether if your drug sits in a particular, I mean, which is having very good settings. Okay, then this is the docking approach, and you can see the chemistry part there. All chemistry part. If you ask me, this is very important. Hydrogen bond donated, accepted, hydrophilic accepted, ligand orientation. Okay, make a note of this. What is the application? Determination of lowest free energy structure for receptor ligand. Receptor வந்து enzyme, ligand வந்து drug. Calculate the differential binding of ligand in two different molecules, the delta G. Study the geometry of a particular complex. Complex propose modification of lead molecules and optimize the potency of other properties. De novo design for lead generation. D1 novel, new drug. Screening for side effects that can be caused by interactions with other molecules. Check the specificity of the potential drug. How much specific it is against homologous protein and heterogeneous protein through docking. Docking is used for predicting protein-protein interaction. Knowledge of molecular association help in understanding the variety of pathways taking place in the living and in revealing the possible pharmacological targets. Protein ligand docking can also be used to predict pollutants that can degrade by the enzymes. Biotech. Okay, I think you have got a very good idea about this. And here is the software that they are using. UECSF doc is one software free of cost. But here, this one is very useful, Autodoc USA. I have done hundreds of these docking using in the software நிறைய யூஸ் பண்றது. Autodoc இருக்கு இல்லையா, Autodoc software. MGL tools அப்படின்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். Search பண்ணீங்கன்னா வரும். I have done even 200-300 calculations last year itself in the software எடுத்தது. In the software Autodoc free of charge. So it's free. Even in laptop also you can do it. You try docking, it will give you some good feeling of learning something. FluxX is there, another free software. Okay, FluxX, Autodoc, and UCSF doc results. But most importantly, I use this only this one. Okay, so we have seen what a tracking is. It's a drug that goes and sits in a enzyme. It's like a lock and key mechanism. Only one perfect key will go and sit in the lock. That means, if both of them fit properly, amount of energy release is very high. If you call it as a scoring function. Okay, scoring function is very high means, it has got very good binding affinity and